Hello boys and girls of grade 5. I am here to do social studies with you. My name is teacher Melinda Hughes, and I want to invite you to stay tuned as we go through this lesson together. Of course, as you stay tuned, you will need something to write with and also write on. So I will ask you kindly to get your pencil or pen and your notepad. In this lesson, we will go through Guyana's CARICOM neighbors. We will look specifically at the development of CARICOM. So as you get your writing material, let's get started. In our lesson today, we will examine the development, founder members, member states, associate member states, and those that have observer status of CARICOM. How was CARICOM developed? Let us look at the development. CARICOM was established after CARIFTA came to an end in 1973. The Caribbean community, commonly called CARICOM, was established on July 4, 1973 with the signing of the Treaty of Chaguaramas. However, the CARICOM movement came into effect on August 1, 1973. So please take that date very carefully. CARICOM came into effect on August 1, 1973. A revised Treaty of Chaguaramas establishing the Caribbean community, including the CARICOM Single Market and Economy, CSME, was signed by the heads of government on July 5, 2001. The revised treaty includes the establishment and implementation of the Caribbean Court of Justice, commonly referred to as the CCJ, which is located in Trinidad. So these are the developmental stages of CARICOM. Founder members. Let us examine the founders. The treaty was signed by the heads of government of Barbados, and that leader was Errol Barrow. Guyana, Lyndon Forbes Sampson Burnham. Jamaica, Michael Manley, and from Trinidad and Tobago, Eric Williams. These 4 countries are founder members of CARICOM, member states of CARICOM. Subsequently, 8 other territories joined CARICOM. Later on, the Bahamas became the 13th member state on July 4, 1983, and Suriname the 14th member in July 1995. In July 1997, Haiti was welcomed into the community. So these members all make up the Caribbean community. We have Antigua and Barbuda, Barbados, Bahamas, Belize, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Haiti, Jamaica, Montserrat, St. Lucia, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Suriname, and Trinidad and Tobago. These are the 15 member states of CARICOM. So now, boys and girls, let's look at the map that shows the CARICOM member states. It is important that when map work is being done, that you pay attention to and identify the cardinal points. Cardinal points are carefully placed on a compass. So on the map, we can identify the compass. It shows the points north, south, east, and west. And with this, you will be able to carefully and accurately identify and locate countries or a particular country that is under study. In this case, we are going to identify the CARICOM member states. And so, boys and girls, I am sure you are already saying, I can see Guyana. And so once you are seeing Guyana on the map or the map of Guyana, then I will move from Guyana and go in directions as I use the cardinal points. So let's begin. Guyana is a member of CARICOM. Of course, Guyana is one of the founder members. And so, located to the east of Guyana is Suriname. Let's travel north now, north of Guyana. Immediately north of Guyana is the island neighbor Trinidad and Tobago. And yes, boys and girls, Trinidad and Tobago is also one of the founder countries of CARICOM. Directly north of Trinidad and Tobago, we can locate Grenada. To the north of Grenada, we have Barbados. Barbados also is one of the founder members of CARICOM. To the west of Barbados on the map, we can identify St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And then we continue to move north. So from west, we are traveling north. So as we continue to move north, there is St. Lucia, Dominica, Antigua and Barbuda. And as I pause at Antigua and Barbuda, I will move west. So in the western direction, we have Montserrat and St. Kitts and Nevis. As we continue to travel west, west of St. Kitts and Nevis, we have Haiti, and Jamaica is located far west of Haiti. Jamaica is also one of the founder members of CARICOM. Traveling north of Jamaica and also north of Haiti, we will identify and locate the Bahamas. And then there is that one country that is not located anywhere in the Caribbean region, but is located in Central America. That CARICOM country is Belize. And so if we move to the far west, we will identify Belize. So there we have it, the map that shows the CARICOM member states. So boys and girls, after we have examined the map, and I am sure you are quite confident that you can locate at least 4 member states of CARICOM on a map of the Caribbean, then now let's identify the associate member states of CARICOM. The associate member states are Anguilla, Bermuda, the British Virgin Islands, the Cayman Islands, and Turks and Caicos. Please note that all of the associate member states are British overseas territories. This simply means that these territories are governed by the British. So Anguilla, Bermuda, the British Virgin Islands, the Cayman Islands, and Turks and Caicos are all governed by the British. So these are the associate member states of CARICOM. In addition to the associate member states, there are those that have observer status. This simply means that all these countries do, or leaders from these countries do, they attend meetings and they observe what goes on. So the observer status in CARICOM are Aruba, Colombia, the Dominican Republic, Mexico, the Netherlands Antilles, Puerto Rico, and Venezuela. So these countries are just under CARICOM as observers. So boys and girls, this has brought us to the end of our lesson today. And I am quite sure that the exposure to the map that shows member states of CARICOM has brought a little more information to you. In addition to that, the founder members and also the way how CARICOM developed is quite useful. And I want to encourage you to create little quizzes so that in your class, during your spare time, you can quiz each other, or even in your spare time at home. You can quiz mommy or daddy or even your siblings or relatives. I am quite sure that you will be confident that this information will give you something good to work with. Until next time, boys and girls, do continue to stay focused as we learn more about our beautiful country, Guyana. Goodbye, boys and girls.